Okay, so the outer pot has to be at least 1 foot wide. The one that's going to have the baking pan in it. The baking pan is 2 inches deep and 9.5 inches wide. So the bigger pan has to be around 12 inches so you have enough space. So
unless if you want to use smaller pans in the smaller container, but then the measurements will be off.
off and it'll be hard to find those. So you fill it up about
This much.
This is about 1/4. You're filling the pot up 1/4 with water.
And what I have been using, and it's not the ideal thing, I just put out my steamers. What here?
So in the pot, you put a steamer. You need something, basically a stand to put the Dhokra pan on, the baking pan on. So this is a steamer and you place it down.
We have taken the legs out.
Okay.
And then what we have done is we have tried with screws to hold the bottom of it so that it will stand in the pot like this.
Without tipping over.
Without tipping.
So,
and it has to be firm. No, it's not, this one is not tipping over, the other one will have to fix.
okay.
And then,
So wait, first, the reason you need this is you need to put the baking pan on top of it, and it needs to be metal so nothing happens to it, and it needs to be above the level of the water. So then the steam is going to be cooking what's on the baking pan that's on top of it.
so the water level should be just below, half an inch below
The steamer.
steamer.
Okay.
Now, stainless steel is better.
Okay.
But in the stainless steel, I put like this much of citric acid,
okay.
so that does not
Turn the color up.
of the.
Okay, so you put a little bit of citric acid in there so that the pot doesn't change color from the steam and from the water and everything else.
Yeah, all the reactions from that.
Okay, so
So
now
then we will put that on here, and we'll start the water. And now, in the meantime, while the water is getting ready,
So you're-
it should be. The water, when we are steaming, the water should not be just hot. It should be bubbling.
should be-
Because if you put it prior to it bubbling, it will have an effect on your Dhokra.
okay, so your Dhokra, it has to be already boiling,
Steaming, right.
steaming and boiling by the time you put the Dhokra on top of the steamer. So then you need to put the cover right now?
No, we don't need to put the cover.
Okay.
And also the other thing that you need is you can use one of your old towels and you can cut in the middle,
Okay.
because this you will need to hold the steam from dripping onto the Dhokra.
Okay.
Okay?
So you're gonna be putting it on the cover of the pot and putting that on top. And if you don't have something like that, the water from the steam will drip on top of the Dhokra and sort of mess it up. So this will absorb all of that.
Okay.